People can't believe what's happening right now. Bitcoin is at 50k and Solana is going again, guys. Solana is going again. You might not believe it, but I think it's going again. And you know, the big target, the line, 122 bucks is gonna go above the 122 bucks. I think it's gonna go above 122 bucks. I've been watching this chart for a long time. This is on the monthly time frame, this is the weekly time frame, this is the daily time frame, and we are waiting to break 122. And the big question is where it's gonna go next, what's gonna happen. And I think right now it's getting ready for a big move up, juicy move up. My previous videos on Solana, I've been calling for targets at 100 and 122. We hit 100. I thought it was done. I thought it's gonna go a little bit back. You know, I didn't think it's gonna hit 122. It did hit 122 over here. See, 122, 100 bucks is right over here, something. So when it came up here, I thought it's gonna stop here, but no, it went all the way up to 122 and then pulled back. But pullback is nice. We like pullback because that gives us an opportunity to buy the dip, Now, look what's happening after the first move towards the upside, towards 122 bucks over here. We pulled back and the trend line is broken right over here, consolidated, broke these highs, creating this nice move towards upside, breaking and again the trend towards upside, resistance is broken, pulled back down here with the wick, and right now it's going towards upside, back to 122, guys, back to 122. So what's gonna happen next? 122 is major resistance level on Solana. If you go to the monthly time frame over here, this is the major resistance for Solana. And you know, between 122 all the way up to 208. You know what this is called, guys? You know what this is called? This is called empty space. We love empty spaces. Do you know why we love empty spaces? Because price, once it's in that empty space, it pumps hard, it pumps long. Sorry about that. This on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, there is definitely some kind of, you know, resistance level over here at 136. There is up here at 172. I mean, this resistance needs to be broken, but in big time frames, we love big time frames. You know, between 122 and 208, this is empty space, and just from 122 to all the way to 208, that's like 70% move towards upside. But it's gonna go very soon. It's gonna go over here right now, and I think right now the Bitcoin is showing strength towards 50k and everybody is in disbelief about what's happening. I think it's gonna go. So over here it's getting ready. It needs to go choppy a little bit more towards upside, but as soon as it breaks this, you know, 122 up here, it's gonna go fast towards upside. So the next target, I'm a little bit unsure whether that's gonna be 208 or not. I mean, you know, this big fast move towards upside, I think there might be resistance before that. Now this is a psychological resistance, you have to understand that, but from the very bottom up here, the bottom down here at 8 bucks, you know, if you go towards right now, you know, it did 15x towards this peak at 122, but if it goes up to 20x over all the way up here at 70 bucks, 20x is actually over at you know, 1900%. That's 20x, that's 160, you know, $160 up here, but we want to look for some kind of confluence, right? And you can see these stops over here, that's a little bit more towards upside up here, that's exactly 2000% towards upside. So I'm gonna say that even though target up here eventually is 208 bucks, I think right now the next target is at 174, and that is the target right now for Solana. Once it breaks this high up here, that's at 120 bucks. So the wick came up here to 122, but the close is at 120. So it's gonna slowly chop up here. You can see how nicely these moving averages are pushing it towards upside. But as soon as it breaks this 120, it's, you know, the first target up here is 124. It looks nice, guys. It is going fastly towards upside. Like the video, spread the word. Solana is going up again. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.